Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ambessa in the Wild Rift jungle. To start, focus on a strong first clear. Begin at your red buff, then move to the Krugs, and then the Raptors. This path helps you reach level 3 quickly, opening up early gank potential. Remember to use your smite strategically to secure buffs and maintain your health throughout the clear. Your early presence can significantly impact the game's flow. As the game progresses into the mid-game, your focus shifts to objective control. Prioritize securing dragons and the Rift Herald as soon as they appear on the map. These objectives provide crucial team buffs and tower pressure. Keep farming your jungle camps to ensure you stay ahead in gold and experience. Look for opportunities to gank vulnerable lanes, turning small advantages into significant leads for your team. In the late game, teamfights become critical. As Ambessa, your role is often to initiate or follow up on engagements, targeting high-priority enemy champions. Ensure you are positioned well to both deal damage and protect your own carries from incoming threats. Securing Baron Nashor can provide a powerful buff, enabling your team to push for inhibitors and ultimately destroy the enemy nexus. Team coordination is key to victory. For Ambessa's build, begin with a jungle item that offers both sustain and damage to optimize your clear. Your core offensive items should include a powerful damage weapon and an item providing armor penetration to cut through enemy defenses. Remember to adapt your build with situational defensive items, like a health-boosting armor or magic resistance item, depending on the enemy team's primary damage sources. Select runes that amplify your damage output and jungle efficiency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.